Hi guys, Hortensia here. Welcome back and welcome to a new video. If you are new here, welcome. I do sneakers unboxing, sneakers review and styling videos. I am an overall style enthusiast, so that's why I'm creating content about things that I like and things that I find interesting. So if you are new here and you're interested in this kind of content, please feel free to like, comment or subscribe. So today we are reviewing the Nike Space Hippie 04, and if we are talking about the Nike Space Hippie collection from Nike, we are talking about shoes that are inspired or sneakers that have been inspired by the life on Mars. If you are looking on the Nike site, you're probably going to find way more information than the ones I am giving you right now. So I am reviewing the 04. I got them. Here they are. I was really intrigued by the design and the fact that they look so rough, but really trying them on, they are so lightweight. They are so light, you don't even realize that you have shoes on your feet. And I find the sole design really interesting. And like I said, the sneakers from this Space Hippie collection are inspired by life on Mars, like Nike said, and they are mostly made of recycled materials like old bottles, plastic and stuff. So I got them in this gray and light gray and lime color. You can see that on the top you have the 04 logo from Nike, and they have this overall, they are made of this overall stretchy material, like they really adapt to your feet. You have the stretchy material at the back, because it's sometimes really hard when you are wearing sneakers with socks, or you are wearing sneakers to work out and you just feel like you don't have this grip on the back. I feel like it helps to have this little stretchy material on the back, and it helps you feel a little bit more comfortable. So when it comes to the materials, you have this simple flight knit feeling, because the flight knit materials have been really popular for the last years now. You have some flight knit sneakers from Nike or Adidas and stuff, and you definitely have that feeling here. It makes the shoe lighter, and it makes the shoe a little bit more comfortable to wear, because you have the stretchy materials that adapts to your feet when you have the right so it makes the shoe adapt to your feet when you have the right size. And when it comes to sizing, I feel like they are really true to size. They look a little bit bigger than I have the feeling that they look a little bit bigger than they should do, but they are still true to size and they are still really comfortable. It just comes to the design and the fact that the design feels a little bit rougher than it should be, but it comes with the whole concept of living on Mars and using recycled materials. Like you can see the little parts on the sole. It feels a little bit rough when you touch it, and you have the sole that is made for running. Like I tried working out in these and they are really comfortable. I really feel like you can spend a long period of time in these. You can stand in them, walk in them, work out in them, or just go to the supermarket with them. So yeah, that's it. That's all I have to say to these. One more thing. Even though you have this stretchy material and the flight knit feeling, you still have the laces on the top that help you like fixate. Even if you don't really need it, they help you fixate the shoe on your feet. So yes, a little close up again. You have the Nike logo on the side, the stretchy material, and then the Nike the band here with the Nike logo on the back, because I feel like it can easily help you get into the shoe. I just don't feel like you necessarily need the band here, because since the material is stretchy on the back, you easily get your feet in the shoe. So I don't really get the intention with this band, but it's okay. You have the band on the back, the foam sole, and like I said, it feels a little rough, but it's still really light. And on the sole you have the patterns that helps the shoe, the grip of the shoe on the floor. And yeah, they still have this little recycled, like they said recycled, so you have to see the little particles on the shoe. You are actually constantly reminded that they are made of recycled materials. So that's it for the little description, sorry, and for the outfit suggestion of the week. I am wearing the Nike Space Hippie 04 with this yellow skirt and this mint green blazer on the top and a white top underneath. And I added these glittery socks to the shoe because I feel like it makes the outfit complete. It makes it feel like something you wear to go out or go shopping or something. So that's my little suggestion for this week. Hope you liked the video. Feel free to subscribe. Like I said, tell me in the comment if I forgot something, or if you have any question to the sneakers. Feel free to find me on Instagram at The Style Tips. Thank you. See you next time. Bye.